Now we'll try to do an alternative user experience. So the hobbies are pretty much like you would select multiple hobbies. So that's why we have multiple. So let's replace this with a different user experience. Now we call that checkbox. Oh, I totally forgot the hobbies. So what shall I do? Instead of deleting, let's just comment this code. So what I did was command K and C, command KC. So when I do a command KU, it'll uncomment it. Command KC will just comment it, so that when you execute this page, you don't see that. It's completely gone. The hobbies, it's completely gone. So we will replace this select with checkbox. Say okay, ID will be hobbies 1 equal to 1, value equal to fishing. And you also need a label for that. I'm going to say label for this name, the whatever gets into the ID, and the label should say fishing. Okay, let me copy this 4 times. I'll do hobbies 2, hobbies 3, hobbies 4. We'll copy all those values from here. I believe this should also be changed. Okay. If you see, you could see checkboxes now. Instead of that drop down, you could see checkboxes. And you when you see checkboxes, it's for multiple selection. So you could do multiple selection here.